Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload a full Facebook profile picture without cropping. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Chrome browser on your device, whether you are using an iPhone or Android. In the search bar, type facebook.com and tap search. Enter your email or mobile number along with your password, then tap login. Once logged in, go to the bottom right corner and tap the three-dot menu. From the options, scroll down and select Request Desktop Site. Now, go to your profile and tap on your profile picture. You will see two options. Tap on Choose Profile Picture. A few options will appear, so select your preferred photo and tap Save. It may take a few seconds to update. After saving, tap on your profile picture again and select See Profile Picture. You will now see the full image displayed without cropping. So that's basically how you can upload a full Facebook profile picture without cropping. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.